etc. Passengers on board, time of return.
Weekly on a Thursday, our maintenance crews are up bright and early to do regular vessel checks. Oil and fuel levels are refreshed, flares, life rafts, all equipment get the once over to ensure that it is in good working order for the coming week's service to our local boating community.
Hook it up, make sure that it's either out or there like that.
Day and night, our radio operators monitor a variety of channels, listening out for anyone who may be experiencing problems at sea.
The other way around.
I hope it's not going. It is. Well, I didn't do my hair and makeup, Richard.
No.
Meanwhile, our maintenance crew finish off their day's work with a well-earned tea and biscuit break. On Sunday morning, it's our White Sundays crew's turn to be out on the water. And Radio Room report, it has been a busy start to the day, with the car park full of cars and their trailers.
Romeo, that 3543, I will take you off the log. This is Coast Guard Mooloolaba out.
And right from the get-go, we receive a call from assistance from a vessel with engine problems. This is a Coast Guard supporter member, and he's asking to be towed back to his home berth, which is located in one of the narrow and shallow creeks upriver. This requires the vessel to be towed and then rafted back to the public pontoon by Rotary 3.
Raft him up, on that side and just take off, and I'll put this back on the pontoon. Sounds like a plan. Alright, just screw the paperwork up later. Yeah.
And the vessel is then cross-docked to our inshore rib, Maroochy RSL, that can take the disabled vessel upriver to complete the assist. While Rotary 3 and Maroochy RSL are dealing with the first assist of the morning, our main boat, Rotary Rescue, hosts the remainder of our crew, including 4 new trainees.
That's why it's called a heaving line. Right, so now when you're given the task of throwing this thing or heaving this line, it's up to you to sort it out.
These new recruits are introduced into knots, mooring and heaving lines.
And that's attached to the tow line. Go past the other one slowly, and the skipper will shout to throw when ready.
Once the assist is over, the whole crew get together and we split into 2 groups to practice in the bay. We then introduce our new crew to basic coastguarding techniques of handling lines on board, vessel manoeuvring, throwing the heaving line and towing and rafting. A little clumsy and unsure at first, constant repetition ensures that on the day these crews will be ready for the real thing and in all weathers with boats of variety, shapes and sizes.
Now! Hard in the water! Now! Yup. So good.
Yep. No, I'm just filming. So what happened? Did you run out of fuel?
Just had my boat service.
Oh, yeah, right. Yeah, I believe it.
I'll take you off the log. Enjoy the rest of your day. This is Coast Guard Mooloolaba out.